y'all today. It's one of them days. Well, it actually happened Friday, but today it's Tuesday. I'm getting it fixed. You know, when you get 24s on charge, you gotta shade the little front bolts. This is the third time we'll be shaving this bolt on the passenger side. For some reason, I don't know. I guess I hit a bump Friday, and it got my tire rubbing on the boat again. I just shaved it not too long ago, maybe a few months ago. So now I got to do it again. I'm really serious considering about dropping down the 22s to 20s, man, because I really want to lower my car anyway, because I'm adding more speed to it, and lower it down some will help with the handling of the car. Because sitting on 24s, everybody know, if you don't know RTs, they sit up pretty high anyway. They don't sit low like Scats and Hellcats, things like that, and Challengers. So I'm really thinking about dropping down the twos again and lowering the car down, because I'm constantly adding power to the car. So to give it better handling when I ride, because on these 24, when I get up, I ain't gonna lie, when I get us like 150 miles per hour, it has a bounce to it sometimes. So I'm really considering about dropping down the tools and lowering the car down to alleviate some of that bounce to it, and help it have a better stability to the ride, man. I'm really considering doing it. So I don't know, maybe Friday I'm off. I might go rim shopping. I don't know. So I might end up doing that. I don't know, man. But that's what I'm considering, man. I'm tired of this boat, and then you can't really just drive, because you know you gotta watch out for bumps and potholes a lot more. I don't know if I'm gonna go with a 265/30 or a 265/35/22. I don't know. I want something with a lip on it, because I'm gonna end up getting the rims wrapped anyway. Shout out to my boy El Terrell, man. He the one got me thinking about how I want to wrap my wheels if I get some new wheels, man. That would make me want to get a lip too. That's on there. It's clean. Main charge is clean. Hellcat clean. Well, yeah. That's what I'm considering, man. Let me get out this car real fast. Show y'all what I'm talking about. I can see it. I'm early for my appointment. Just got out, but let me see, can I see it? Oh man, you probably ain't gonna be able to see it. Right on. You can see it. So yeah, it's kind of low on the tire. I should have showed you the tire. Let me show y'all the tire. I was putting a little groove in it. So that's what I'm considering dropping down the tube. Folds look good on it. Man. It ain't no good. That tire popper will keep messing up. Be no good then. But that's what I'm considering, man. Serious considering about it. I'm dropping it down, make it more sporty, handling like. See? Y'all can see. So yeah, it's making a groove in the sun. I don't like that at all, so I'm gonna have to shave it down for the time being. If I do it, it might be after car show season. Probably go find me a wheel then, but I'm going to look for some maybe Friday since I'm off. See what I find what I'm looking for. Yeah, we're gonna hop into it, man. I know I'm early. He got a vehicle back there, so like I said, I'm early anyway. I'm gonna holler at him too about a wheel. I'm up here. I got a few more places I'm gonna go visit Friday. I'm off to go give me go look for some tools, man, or something. Y'all see the car. So yeah, you definitely gonna consider that. Cause man, I can't ride this junk like I really want to, man, with these folds on it. It's really for show. It's really for show. So, yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man, in just a minute, man. If anything pull up out here, it's nice looking. I'll cut this camera back on. So yeah, he don't have anything worth looking at right now that I like. So I'm gonna go wait till Friday and check another one out. Let's see, can I find one with a liquid stuff on it, nice one. We're gonna have to be Friday, and I'll try to find one. But y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man. This video might be helpful to y'all if y'all want to go 24s on Chargers and Challengers. Challengers sit low, depends on what year it is. Sometimes you might have to raise them up a little bit. Depends, but Chargers be okay. They scats. Sometimes scats, they sit low. You might have to raise them up. If you decide to go 24s on them, you can always do a 275, 25, 24. It's a thin tire. You don't want it that thin, but you can do that. I got 255, 30, 24s on mine. But yeah, I'm serious thinking about just going 22s. I talked to my wife about it. She just left them up here, so she don't mind. What's up, man? Yeah. So she don't mind if I went 22s. I mean, not 22, get another set of rims, put it like that, my bad. Get another set of rims. For those of you who follow my channel, man, I done changed my rims a few times now. Rims get old, man. Sometimes you have to upgrade them and do different things. So, yep, that's what I'm probably gonna do. If I can find me something worth getting Friday. If the price is right, I might get them Friday, but I don't think I might, because I got a car show I'm going to this weekend. Y'all stay tuned for that video. If it don't rain out, it's here in Memphis, called Track Mania. So we'll be racing and car shows. So if it don't rain out, Saturday, I'll be at that this Saturday. If it don't rain Thursday, I want to know they gonna do the little Bartlett ride in. It's like a little small car display here in Memphis. So y'all stay tuned to the possibly upcoming videos. You know, I don't want to keep talking your ear out, but yeah, you just like I said, it's my channel. Just hang it out with me, man. I don't focus in on one particular type thing for like all car content or stuff like that. So you just hang with me, man. What I got going on for the day, man. Things like that, man. I know some of y'all like to see action, but some of these videos could be helpful as far as like getting stuff done, stuff you want to do to your car, or stuff you want to have, you ponder about, hey, I mean, I thought about doing this, I thought about doing it. So it consists of it, though. So it don't really focus in on one particular thing. But yeah, I gotta do something different, man. I like the how I feel the wheel well, but if I just drop it down, it'll do the same thing with the 22. I don't know if I want to do staggered or even all the way around. So I don't know yet. Yeah, when he ready to move the car, I guess I'll get some golden footage when he get done. Then I'll ready to end this video, man. All right. So, yep, it's all done. It's raining. I'm gonna try to get a shot of it when I get to the house. If not, probably be the end. If I don't cut the camera back on, it'll probably be the end of the video. So like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man. Hit the thumbs up on the video. If it's helpful to you, if it was helpful to you, you
New
think it was
text
helpful to you.
message from +1 833 575 1109.
But yep, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me today, man. But like I said, comment down below, man. Should I drop it down to 22, lower the car down, or keep it on the 24s, or what? I thought about doing 20. 20 still on the board. I don't know. Probably just do 2s and lower it down. But anyway, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. If I,
New
like
text
I said,
message from
if I cut it back on, then I cut it back on. If not, then, man, it's your boy hanging with H Boogie, man. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, man.